If you would like to use Dreamface AI app, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, launch your Dreamface application. Once done, you don't even need to get logged into your account. This is a free app for some templates, so you can also use it without having an account. So at the top page, you will see pet lip sync. If you tap onto it, you will see various pets singing. Tap on try now, or you can also get a preview. And like that, you will see various babies and pets doing it or singing a song. And likewise, these are everything similar to CapCut. You will see AI generator, AI filter, image to video, text to video. If you tap onto it, you have to type in the explanation of the video or what you would like to see in a video. If you tap on create, you will be able to see it happening in a MP4 version like a video. And likewise, if you tap on this pet singer, you will see various cats singing some songs.
What do you want?
And you can also choose your avatar by tapping on this plus icon. For that, you will have to give permission for your gallery. And if you choose an image, you will see it in this format. And likewise, there are children voice miracle. You can see what's new, what's trending, and what people are using the most. There are also e-commerce and also filters. This filter will be just like Snapchat. Let's say if you tap on this one and you try to animate. If you tap on camera, it will open up your camera and you have to click a picture of yourself, tap on animate, and then you will see yourself in this form. And likewise, guys, these are many things to explore here, so you have to keep going. You may go ahead, tap on for you, and here are all the templates that you can use just like CapCut. So thank you all for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.